Hello viewers, welcome back to another tutorial of Vroid. In this episode, we're gonna be making a tutorial from wings. As weird as it sounds, and a little bit unbelievable, and let me wrong in some way. Yeah, you didn't hear wrong. You heard right, wings. As in angel wings or demon wings. You should be getting the point right now. Ironically, those are made by doing hair. I don't know what's going on here, but you gotta admit, they have a lot of creativity for this. Let's get to it. As most of the things, when you're creating something from zero, you just make the freehand glue. Always with a sensitive touchpad. So in this case, since we're making wings, we can actually just expand them all the way through here. We're just gonna make this basics. Yeah, nothing over the top or nothing fancy, just simple. It won't be a specific size for the wings and all, because it's gonna be mostly of your preference. However, this is something you need to keep an eye on. Try mostly to push it to the back, this way. Why is it going down? Try to push it from here all the way to the back as possible. Because remember, it's wings, not little cocoons. Unless you know your character's gonna be like some sort of maybe a moth, butterfly, and that's just a different story-ish. Anywho, if you actually see that it goes like this, and it doesn't want to go further back, there's gonna be a problem there. But I'm kind of pushing once it goes. What are you doing? Never mind. Okay, so we'll be focusing on the back. And as always, when you head to the material, just make a duplicate. That way, there'll be a color changes. In any case, if you want to make it identical as your haircut or like your clothing, you can just leave it like that. I'm doing it here because I want to make it highly noticeable. Although I haven't actually even thought of giving my character some wings. Well, if I actually get like 1,200 subscribers, I would actually make a speed video of creating my own character. Yeah, just putting that out. Okay, so back to here. Since I have a base card from my preset hair, I just quickly change it to white. I just go down to the point. Nothing fancy or over the top. It's just enough so you can actually see it. Forgot something. Sometimes this actually does happen. some people have made this type of any version of it. It usually depends on what program you're using. Is it Vroid, is it Blender, or is it Maya? I heard about that one, and there's 2 or 3 more. It basically goes on the design software. There we go. Alright, let's keep it going. So since we're going with wings, they usually show right around here, like, what is that bolt called? It's actually in the upper section around here, kind of like the back of the rib cage. For some reason, anyway, we'll change a little bit of the scent here to make it wider and thicker. Not the type of thing that you're thinking. Get that out of here. It's not a big place for that. So let's see if I can make it straight. Now, remember to have the little mirror on. It'll be your best friend. And let's begin. Too small. Let me check something. It's not that thick enough. Alright, let's retry. Why are you doing that? You basically get the point right now. It's basically a straight line. Nothing out of the ordinary. We just do it for the tutorial purposes. So just keep making these type of lines. As long as you actually keeping it to your actual preferences or your own style, it shouldn't be that bad. Yeah, just be careful for the errors. You should be fine. Like the error that I just did. So you should be keeping an eye for this wiggle factor. And for some reason, it's not actually doing it. I don't know yet why. But now it should be looking something like this. I'm just doing the basic of it. If you wanna go fancy or going all out, then be my guest. I'll make way better ways if I actually add it to my character. Which there's another thing that can actually help you. You don't think that's wide enough? You can actually just do this, but you might need to be careful. As you're seeing, it actually places it offset. That's another issue. But it can be fixed by pulling it downward. By using literally the last green dots, that will help you. So if you pull above, it slightly moves it. It's not much, but it'll do enough. Now, you move this here. You should be seeing something like this. Sure, I'm gonna be actually focusing more on the wings. Then there's this. See that little space between them? That's gonna be an issue. So, let's see if I can actually just adjust it a little bit. You should be able to do that. Since you actually are heading to the center, that's the only thing that doesn't move at all. You can try that little practice on your own. You should be able to notice it. You can actually just make a simple hairnet and just drag it to the center. When I mean center, literally the center of the marble. Because once that happens, you'll quickly notice that there's gonna be like a certain limit that won't go beyond that point. I'm pretty sure at the beginning of the tutorial, you might have seen it if you pay close enough attention. This is odd. Oh, wait. There might be an issue that I'm not seeing at the beginning. But either way, that should be, that's basically it. Anyway, that's all for this tutorial. If you like my content, you can, share it to the world, share it to Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, Facebook, MySpace, if that still exists. I don't think it was the same as before, back in the old days. Or you can even share it on TikTok. At least I mean, don't get too crazy. I'll be seeing you next time.